Hemostatic instrument, which are used to grasp and clamp tissues, blood vessels in the wound in order to temporarily stop bleeding. Clamps and ligature needles of the Deschamps Cooper for the final stop of bleeding. Ligatures, stitched and entwined. Clips can be straight and curved. Hemostatic clamps. Appointment of the hemostatic clamps. Temporary stop bleeding in the wound. A stepped clamp lock near the finger fixes the clamp in a certain work position, provides compression and allows you to adjust the force of its compression. To open the clamp lock, you should slightly press the rings with your third finger, move the jaws along the plane, and only then separate them apart. 1. Kocher clamp. The main difference of this tool is the presence of teeth. The tool is used, for example, on rough tissues muscles. Billroth blood stopping clamp. It is similar in design to Kocher hemostatic forceps, differs in the presence of notches at the end of jaws, but it hasn't got teeth. Used for temporary stop of bleeding from medium-sized vessels in the wound. Third, a stop bleeding clamp of the mosquito type. Working part differ from other by their pointed ends. Purpose: to stop bleeding from small caliber vessels. The position of the hemostatic forceps in the hand, the position is the same as when using scissors. Deschamps ligature needles. The purpose of Deschamps ligature needles is to carry out ligature under the blood vessels. Ligature needles can be right side and left sided. The position of Deschamps ligature needle in the hand. The handle of the instrument is taken into the fist. The ligature is inserted into the hole like a thread in a swing needle. The disadvantage of needle are the absence of mechanical eyelet and the difficulty of tethering in the thread. Therefore, when working with a Deschamps needle, the ligature must be inserted into the eyelet in advance and pulled along the instrument. Fixation tools which are needed to grasp and hold tissue. Forceps, used to grasp and hold tissue. Distinguish surgical, anatomical and gripping. The purpose of forceps: fixation of an organ or tissue when working with them. Fixation of needles with the adoptical securing of needle into the needle holder for suturing. Anatomical forceps, captures tissue more gently. Surgical, more traumatic. Therefore, it is used on tensor tissue but holds more reliably. Gripping. Forceps have an extension in the form of paw on which there are notches. It has great fixation ability than surgical forceps. As it has larger gripping area and a larger number of teeth, it is also less traumatic than surgical forceps, designed to hold tight tissues. Position of the forceps in hand. Forceps are gripped as rule with the first and third fingers of the left hand in the middle of the plates on the palmar surface, which has ribbed areas to regulate the force of compression of spring and to fix the tissue firmly. Non-working position. Clips of surgical linen clamps are designed to fix sterile surgical linen to the patient's skin. The working jaws of these instruments are sharpened at the ends for a better grip of the surgical wrap. Retractors, used for superficial retraction, Dennett and Lammer. Farabeuf lamellar retractor. The purpose of Farabeuf retractor is dilution of the edges of a deep wound near large vessels or absorption of masses. The size of the hooks collected depends on the length of incision and the depth of incision. Farabeuf retractor device, a plate with smooth, blunt edges curved in the form of Russian letter C. Position of the Farabeuf retractors in the hand. Usually, the assistants grab the hooks by the long crossbars of the letter into the fist of the palmar surface of the hand. Insert the short crossbars into the wound. placing them opposite each other symmetrically at right angles to the edge of the wound. Uses to the widen edges of small superficial wounds. Wounded tooth Volkmann retractors, blunt and pointed. Purpose of Volkmann retractors. Points hooked are used only for dilution and fixation of super surface layers, skin, upper neurosis and the other dense tissue. Blunt pointed for fixing individual anatomical structures in the depth of the wound around the performed surgical technique. The position of the Volkmann hooks in the hand. The retractor handle is grasped into a fist on the palmar surface of the hand. The second finger is inserted into the ring for more firm fixation of the instrument in the hand. The working surface of the hooks are directed towards each other. Hornzang. The purpose. Instrument is used for apodactyl work in the operating room and the dressing room. Konzang also can be straight and curved. Position of the konzang in the hand. The position is similar to the position of a clamp. As reminder, the curved end of the tool pointed downwards. With the help of forceps and a gauze napkin, it is possible to make tampon, which is used to temporarily stop bleeding in the wound. With the help of Kocher clamp and a cotton ball, it is possible to make a tupper. Grooved probe. Purpose of grooved probe. It is used to protect the deep lying tissue from damage with the scalpel. To determine the pockets and depth of the wound, it is used to open the facial sheath of the nervovascular bundle. Instrument for tissue joining. Straight, curved surgical needles, disposable, automatic and reusable. Surgical needles are designed to guide suture material through tissue. They are distinguished by shape. Straight weaving without the help of a needle holder is allowed. Designed for stitching tendons and the imposition of some anatomies of the organ of the gastrointestinal tract. Curved is the most common in surgery. Type cutting having 2 to 3 cutting edges designed for sewing thick tissues. Stabbing or round tapered needles move tissue apart without cutting. They are taken for stitches easily pierced tissues, peritoneum, muscles and intestinal walls. Also distinguish a traumatic needle that do not have an eye at all, used for example for the imposition of a vascular intestinal sutures. A needle holder is a surgical instrument designed to hold a surgical needle as it passes through tissue when suturing. Example of needle holder: Geiger needle holder, Matthew needle holder. Appointment of Geiger needle holder: fixation of the needle of the convenience of suturing and excluding the touch of finger to the tissue. Position of the Geiger needle holder in the hand. The fingers of the hand from triangle shaped figure, which ensures a stable position of the instrument in the hand. The needle holder is grasped in a fist on the palmar surface of the hand together with the long end of the ligature. The distal phalanges of the first and fourth fingers are inserted into the rings of needle holder respectively. The place near the axis of crossing handles is fixed with the tip of the second finger.